Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 in our class. So this week the really big assignment of the week is a second rough draft for peer review number 2. So I want you to take a look at what your peers wrote to you on your first draft, and I'll also have some feedback for you guys. I'm hoping to have that by the end of the day on Tuesday. So check out that feedback on your first rough draft and also add to your draft so that you have 4 paragraphs total to upload to our second peer review. That rough draft is due on Wednesday, and then on Thursday I want you to complete those peer reviews, but you have until the end of the day on Friday if you absolutely need it to get that assignment completed for our class. Now, I also have some lecture notes and some extra credit this week. So required lecture notes are on discourse communities, and it's part 2. Now, we had part 1 last week. This is the second half of some lecture material on discourse, what that is, and specifically on socio-rhetorical and linguistical and cultural aspects of discourse community. So please do take a look at those lecture notes. Okay, I have a second set of lecture notes that's optional, and that set of lecture notes covers grammar. Now, the grammar is explicitly tied to extra credit exercises and an extra credit quiz. You do not need to download the lecture material on grammar. You do not have to complete the grammar quiz. You do not have to submit the grammar exercises. That's all there for you for an extra credit opportunity and to get some structured grammar lessons in case you want or need those. All right, let's see here. Other tasks this week. I do have a discussion board for you all, and you do need to complete some reading, so make sure that you are reading language and contexts, and that you're also reading writing in global contexts, and that you're completing annotations on those 2 articles and submitting to the discussion board. Now, see all of those assignments for very specific details on what I'm asking you, and also be in touch if you have any questions or concerns about those assignments or what to read, okay? All right, let's see here. Other than that, we've got a journal assignment this week. And then I also do have one last extra credit assignment for you. Almost forgot. With regard to those lecture notes on discourse communities, on the very last slide, I have a set of questions. Now, those questions are meant to force you to engage in critical thinking regarding the concepts that we've been covering. So I'm not requiring that you submit those either, but if you answer 5 of those questions and upload your work by Friday, I will award you extra credit for completing that. All right, get in touch if you have any questions, and have a great week, guys.